Hi everybody, I'm Mr. Jones and I'm here today with Garrett and with Noah, who are graduates of the 5th grade at Grove Elementary. Be heading to the 6th grade center next year. And they're here to help me tell you how we can use just regular dice to help pre-K and kindergarten kids become more familiar with numbers and how to use numbers. And so we're going to just, right now, we're going to assume that we're dealing with kids who have very little practice with numbers and show you how, as parents, you can work with your kids at home to become more familiar. Okay, so now we're going to demonstrate up close so you can actually see how we might use the dice to work with pre-K or kindergarten kids that are becoming familiar with numbers. So Noah, do me a favor and roll those 4 dice, please, and then bring them all back to the center. Okay, put them all right in the center for me. So he rolled them, and this is what we ended up with. So now, Noah, I want you do me a favor, and the red dice, you're a pre-K kid now, and I want you to count the dots on the 2 red dice. Okay, go ahead.
1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, all right. Now, and Garrett, would you count the numbers on the green dice for me?
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, now, Noah, I want you to count the numbers on the red dice again, but go all the way up to give me the total. Instead of saying 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, go all the way through, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, and Garrett, on the green dice for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, good. All right, now, do me a favor and roll the dice again, Garrett, and bring them all back to the center.
Change the roll.
Okay, all right, that's all right. Okay. Now, let's say we're talking about maybe a little bit higher order math where people have recognized the numbers and they might be starting to try to put numbers together and add. So Noah, do me a favor and count the green dice separately.
1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So you had a 1 and a 6 and you put those together and what do you get?
7.
7, okay. And Garrett, do the same thing for the red dice for me.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So 2 and 6 would be
8.
8. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, that's just a couple of ways that we can use dice to help pre-K, kindergarten kids, kids that are unfamiliar with numbers, use dice to help them become more familiar. Thanks, guys.